Okay, this is my version of Flappy Bird. We press enter to start, and then there's a countdown. Here goes. One of the features that I added is the pause. Notice that there's a sound effect and the music stops, and then when the music starts again, it starts right where it stopped before. Another feature I added is the distance between the pipes. It's now random, as well as the gaps between the upper pipe and the lower pipe. It varies in size. Sometimes it might be bigger or smaller. So notice how between these two and the next, it's a big space, and then before the next one it was less. Here there's more space again. If you remember when I lost the last time, it just said lost. But if I get more than 5 points, it says congratulations, and it gives me a prize. There you go. Okay, let's look at the code. One of the interesting changes that I made here is in price.lua. Here it says the different prices that will show up. You've got the ribbon, the medal, and the trophy. And then here we have a function that defines which prize is going to appear. So if the score is between 4 and 15, you get a ribbon. Between 14 and 50, you get a medal. If it's 50 or more, you get a trophy. And then all that is going to be played out in the score state. We don't even render the prize unless the score was over 4. So it says if score is less than or equal to 4, then it's just going to say, oof, you lost. But if it was more than 4, we're going to go ahead and render a prize. And then in the prize class, you get more information about which prize exactly it's going to be and the size and where and whatnot. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed my version of Flappy Bird.